Make a great choice today with 2012 CTS. The CTS is a well-sorted blend of all-American style and European-inspired tuning with a cutting-edge design. The luxury CTS blends elegant styling, performance, and exceptional fuel economy. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, steering wheel audio controls, power sunroof, Bose sound system, heated seats, power driver's seat, backup camera, keyless entry, air conditioning, alloy wheels. Come see the car for yourself.